Hello everybody, this is the EYFS vocabulary session for week 3 of the summer term. We're going to look at some new focus words today. Our focus words are stretchy, stiff, shiny, dull, bendy, not bendy, waterproof, not waterproof, opaque, and transparent. Have you ever heard any of those words before? Pause the video now and talk about them with your adult. You might try to use the words in a sentence. You might even be able to think of your own definitions. That means you can tell me what those words mean by using other words. When you're ready, press play and we'll look at the definitions together. Were you able to think of any of your own definitions? Well done if you were. Stretchy. Able to stretch easily. Can be pulled apart into a longer shape. Stiff. Doesn't change shape easily. Rigid. Shiny. Glossy, sparkly, giving off light. Dull. Low brightness. Boring. Not colourful. Bendy. Soft and flexible. Can change shape. Not bendy. Rigid and stiff. Waterproof. Doesn't let in water. Not waterproof. Lets water in. Opaque. Not see-through. Transparent. See-through. Clear. Did you get any of those definitions correct? Or were you able to use any of these words in sentences? Well done if you were. We're going to play a little game of Have You Ever using our focus words. I'm going to ask you a question and then I want you to talk about the answer with your adult at home. Have you ever worn something shiny? What was it like? Pause the video now and talk about the answer with the adult. Have you ever worn a waterproof coat? What did it do? Again, you might want to pause this video and talk about this with your adult at home. Maybe think about all the times it's rained, all the times we've been to forest school and what you've had to wear. Have you ever seen something opaque? What was it? You might want to go back and look at the definitions that we were just thinking about to remind yourself of the meaning of opaque. Have you ever looked through something transparent? What did you see? Pause the video now and have a discussion about these questions. And then when you're ready, press play and we'll move on to our final activity. Can you use the focus words in your own sentences? I'm going to display a final slide with the focus words and I'd like you to see if you can use them either verbally or writing them down. If you do write anything down, we'd love to see it, so please take a photograph and send it to us on Class Dojo. So here's a reminder of our focus words for the week when you're trying to think of your own sentences. Stretchy, stiff, shiny, dull, bendy, not bendy, waterproof, not waterproof, opaque, transparent. Perhaps you might challenge yourself to try to use 3 of these focus words to describe things that you can find around your house. These might be items, objects, or articles of clothing. Pause the video and go and explore. What can you find and how can you describe it? Then have a great day, everybody.